Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your Apple Pencil is paired and the device runs the latest iOS. This avoids lag and compatibility issues. Once paired, open Notes and pick an existing note or create a new one. Tap where you want to write or choose the drawing canvas. Make sure Scribble is enabled in Settings under Apple Pencil so your handwriting converts to text if you want that. This gets you into the workspace quickly and sets up behavior so subsequent steps work predictably. You write directly with the pencil, keeping strokes deliberate so Scribble recognizes words. Brief pauses help delimit words and punctuation. Once written, use the selection gesture, like a lasso or double tap, to highlight strokes. Then tap to convert to typed text, move content, or apply formatting. For diagrams, switch to drawing tools to add shapes or lines, pinch to zoom for finer control. Because conversion and selection operate on strokes rather than characters, this method makes you finish by reviewing converted text and correcting mistakes either by rewriting the specific word or switching to the keyboard. Then organize, lock, or share the note as needed. If Scribble misreads words, slow down slightly and form letters more distinctly. This improves recognition over time. If issues persist, toggle Scribble off and on in Settings or force close Notes and reopen it. These steps reset the recognition engine and usually resolve inconsistent behavior, so your workflow stays smooth.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.